Hi everyone, welcome if this is your first time here. Welcome back if this is a return trip for you. My name is April. This is the Frugal Planner channel, and today, I need to be really honest with you. Like, I'm gonna spill the tea on myself. I had cut down this composition notebook with the intention of using it for X, Y, and Z, right? We all remember this. We all watched the video. It was going to be epic and amazing, right? Well, it didn't quite work out that way. So I did finish the whole month of December-ish in this book. Different layouts, loved the dailies, did the weekend checklist. This really worked for me until it didn't. And I don't know if I just got busy and then I lost interest, but there wasn't a whole lot left in it. So I have roughly a little bit over, I have 1 page over a half a book left in this one. Okay. Now, remember when we set up this beautiful cut down composition notebook and I told you it was going to be for, tracking my house and household and household, I think I did the video on it. Are you ready for the tea? You guys, I haven't even opened it. I set it up and then never did anything with it. So I've got a couple of options. January is pretty much over. I mean, what is the date today? Today is January 26th. Wah, wah. So I've got a few days left here. And then we pop into February. So here's what I'm thinking. Also, I should caveat this with, as well as I used this, is how well I'm tracking our food, groceries, and household chores. It's just not existent. And right now, with the way food prices are, this is the wrong time for me to fall off the tracker wagon because it is expensive. And I don't know if you struggle with eating everything you buy. We do. And it's not intentional. It's not intentional at all. Well, kind of. There's the tea again. If I were to take the time to meal plan every single weekend and only buy the food for that meal. But what I have found too is that I will meal prep on Sunday and then I will have it all ready in the fridge and then something will come up. So those chicken poblano burritos that I made up on Sunday that needed to go in the oven by Tuesday, never made it in the oven by Tuesday. Well, by Saturday when I go back, I'm worried that the chicken's probably not that great. It's a whole week old and I don't think they recommend that you eat it. Now, the other thing I have tried when I do things like that is, if I decide on Wednesday, we are not going to eat those, I will put them in the freezer safe bags, the sealed space saver bags. That's what they remind me of. They suck all the air out. So I'll put one in each bag and throw them in the freezer. Then whenever we take them out to eat, we're eating them at that moment. So even if it's oh no, we should have eaten those today, it's not a problem because we're going to throw them in the air fryer and we're going to eat them. And so I'm thinking that's what I need to do is make freezer meals instead of pre-made, uncooked refrigerator meals for the week. I'm going to try that for the month of February. So there's certain things that I can freeze and then certain things that I cannot freeze, right? So I'm trying to think of ways to be creative with that. And I'm sorry, this is so chatty and not planning at all, but I needed to just come clean with you guys and let you know that if you are struggling too, you are not alone. If I would have been told that adulting meant I had to figure out food for myself every day, I don't know how Wes doesn't I don't know, I'll get home from work and I'll be like, do you want ramen or do you want tacos? And he's like, well, I don't care. Really? Because I'm really leaning towards tacos. Like, I really, if he would have said ramen, I would have been like, ugh, I don't really want ramen. But he doesn't have that. Like, he's cool with anything that I make. So that's nice. That is a bonus. I don't have somebody who's a picky eater who won't eat things. But so the goal for today is just to look at my pantry, look at my fridge and freezer, and figure out what I'm going to do for the month of February. It's a short month. We have a week that we're going to be gone. So I only have to plan 3 weeks of meals. Same with the house. So we painted one of the walls in the house black, which it looks amazing. It's behind the TV. It's the TV wall. So we've been working on that. And then I reorganized the bookshelf and pulled everything off of it that wasn't necessarily a book. So now I need to reorganize my office, but it gets so overwhelming because there's so much clutter and so many stickers and so much stuff that I kind of lose interest in it. So for the month of February, I'm going to try to go back to that idea. Here's the other thing. I saw a video the other day on YouTube that, you know, usually at the first of the year, people make these grandiose goals and they're going to do this and they're going to change this and they're going to do this. You have to remember, and I'm telling myself this as much as I'm telling you if you need to hear it, the April I was yesterday is still the same April I'm going to be tomorrow. So I need to figure out how to add routines to routines that already exist in my life. And I need to declutter. Like, how much easier is it to wipe down a counter when there's nothing on it? 1,000 times easier. In our kitchen, I have to move everything from one counter to another, wipe it down, and then put everything back. And it's just not conducive with like a quick 5-minute after work cleaning session. So that's going to be my goal, to prep and get ready for February. Am I going to fill this out today? No, because talking about all this, I just feel slightly overwhelmed and I'm so sorry. Here I thought I was just going to spill the tea and then plan with you. I don't think there's going to be any planning today. I need to get things in order so that I can plan. I need to make a plan so that I can plan. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to spend Sunday today just cleaning everything off the counters that don't need to be there and purging things that I no longer need, like old receipts, old mail. I need to find a place for mail that needs to be taken care of. I need to find a different spot other than the dining room table to dump everything when I get home at night, because it is getting a little ridiculous every week. I want to start eating at the dining room table. I know I talked about this in a previous video. We haven't done that yet. I just feel like I eat more when I'm sitting in front of the TV watching anything. It can be anything, just watching TV, than I do when I'm sitting at the table and Wes and I are just having a conversation about things. So we need to get back to that. And then maybe what I'll do is I will go through today and do what I need to do for organizing my life and mental health so that I'm more prepared to do a plan with me. So I will not title this video as a plan with me. I'll do it. I don't want to do it clickbait either and be like, spill the tea. It's really not the tea. I'm just tattling on myself. Oh, maybe that's good. I'll tattle on myself. Anyway, so yeah, lots of chatting, very little planning. But I think by telling you this is what I'm doing, you guys can help me. If you have any ideas, like if you're sitting there and you're like, April, I have done this, or I'm with you, or, you know, try this. I am happy to try anything. And yeah, after I get like things organized the way I want it, I will post pictures for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about, like the clutter and stuff. Like the before and after. Oh my gosh, you guys, you're going to see my office filming laundry room area and you're going to be like, oh my gosh, April, you just have this tiny little workspace surrounded by clutter. It's true, I do. And I feel sometimes I would be more creative if I had just less clutter consuming me. So yeah, I have a lot of clutter consuming me. So just know that I love you. I appreciate you being here. I know this wasn't a regular plan with me. It's like a verbal a verbal plan, like this is what I'm going to do, and then I will come back. I just wanted to set the record straight with you guys. I know a lot of times when we watch YouTube channels, they make their notebooks look so pretty and so gorgeous, and they're, you know, working and doing everything. There are times I do that. Like there are times I fill everything in and it's beautiful and it works for me. But there are also times that I have a whole notebook set up that I set up with you and then never got back into. So if this is you as well, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad at all. I didn't put the days of the week in here, so I can use this for 2026 if I want. You know, it'd be fine. So, all right, I am going to quit chatting, stop ignoring my adult responsibilities, and grab this book and take it to the kitchen and start there. I love you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy planning, and I will probably be back, I would say middle of the week with another video for you, kind of tying this all together. All right, and pay attention to the community tab. I'll be posting pictures there, and probably Instagram as well. So if you don't follow me over there, it's the Frugal Planner channel. I love you. Bye.